Hey, hi everyone. This is Alaylo. I'm the Director and the Chief Operating Officer at TP-Link India.
Hi Vijay, welcome on Digit.
Thank you.
So first of all, I would like to start with, what's the biggest change in how an Indian household buys an appliance in the last 2 years, and what do you think that your company is doing different from the others?
See, the biggest change, if you say, it's all about everyone wants to get smarter, right? And everyone wants some of the other smart devices. Even the devices which they were using previously should be smart. The AC should be smart, the refrigerator should be smart. Even the router nowadays we see previously was not a noticed appliance, but then for sure the device, everyone wants that the router should be a smart one.
Right.
So of course TP-Link has all the portfolio wherein we have the smart devices, IoT devices, the sensors, the motion sensors. We have the smart plugs which can control the AC, as what our minister said as well, that can you reduce the temperature of the AC or increase it after some time? Yes, our smart plug does that, and we have those solutions as well. So we are helping India become smart now. Yeah.
So when you talk about AI, right? Nearly every appliance on the shelf nowadays says AI on the box. So how should a buyer tell the difference on a showroom floor?
So generally, when even in the podcast, as I mentioned, AI generally, if needs to be promoted, it is not actually your win or the brand's win, right? AI should be one which should be working in the background, making life easier for the customer. And I would always want the customer to also know that don't just go on the show off things on the AI, that we have AI and the word AI has been used everywhere in everything. No, just think on it. Is it making your life a little bit easier than what it was previously? And that's the decision you can make right there itself.
Okay. What do you think makes TP-Link different from your direct peers in the market?
Okay. So TP-Link, see, always right from the start, we have been here for more than now 16 years now. And we always believe that we want to give something more to the audience, something more to the consumers. And we always believe that it should be a regular process. We always believe that it should be a long-term relationship with the customer. So if you see at TP-Link, we have a larger portfolio. Exact difference, if you say, we have almost 10 times more the products than my closest competitor for the consumers to be used. Yeah. Right.
All right. Final question. Any thoughts on the inaugural DITAA 2026 awards function, and where do you want Digit to push harder next year?
Yeah, so I think DITAA this time has been very nice, and I think the appliance award, especially the chief guest you call in, they gave a very good time to us, and the first deputy chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, he was very cordial. He was speaking like he was speaking almost like a consumer to us, and we loved that. We loved that part of it. And of course, when Mr. Jitendra Singh Rana also came on stage, he gave enough time to everyone to answer each question. So I think that was one of the things I felt different from the other events which I always attend. And I feel next time, yes, of course, a lot of appliances which TP-Link also makes, smart devices like the smart switches, the smart motion sensors. That's a new thing coming up. It's more of the home automation kind of segment. Maybe I'll push you to include that as well. Yeah.
Looking forward to review all of those things.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Bijoy.
Thank you.
For being on Digit. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.